Okay, 3, 4 guys just went right. Fucking less, man. Fucking less! Don't get so close to me, bud. You're out in the open there. Push over to the right side if you want. LMG, far right window! Second building back!
Oh, please don't shoot me in the face!
One guy going right! 2 guys going right! Okay, push it up a bit. Where's left at?
Left is blitz.
Shit. Oh! Fucking tickle me pink. You see him?
Yeah, just don't move this in.
Okay, yeah.
Oh,
I got a guy on the left side a little further back. Okay, finally got him.
See that guy on the left there?
I got one guy on the left. He's just walking off.
See him.
Might be another.
No.
He's fucking up. He's like right at the edge here. Yeah. I got a guy on the left side a little further back. Okay, finally got him.
See that guy on the left there?
I got one guy on the left. He's just walking off. Might be another.
No, I think he was it.
Okay.
You gotta try to take my place at that building again.
Yeah, I don't know where Les is, so watch out. You got an LG on your right. Yeah, LMG middle building on the right side. Oh, somebody got... Yeah, LMG middle building on the right side! Shit. Oh, somebody got less! Okay. I don't have a good view on it, Trevor.
Watch my back.
Yeah. Hi, Mitch. Watch out for the... There's an LMG in the middle window.
Yeah.
Kind of in that area. Ooh. Yeah, I see him there. Yeah, you're...
right! Dylan on the right! Far back by tractor! Dylan's far back! Trev, 2 buildings ahead of you guys. Past the one in the middle.
Good. Dylan on the right! Far back by tractor! Dylan's far back!
Behind the tractor!
Trev, 2 buildings ahead of you guys! Past the one in the middle! Yeah, you see him there? Yeah!
I can't move. Les just pinned me down.
Does he?
Yeah, he's far.
Good, but at least he's not aiming at me! If he sees you, that's a good thing! Oh, nice, right on!
Don't worry, Buttercup. We come back for you.
Buddy, I probably didn't even hit you! I'll take it then! My shit curved! I didn't see where that came from, Mitch. LMG on the left, watch out! One guy pushing right! He's halfway down, right side, getting close to the tractors. He's right low.
We're at?
Keep an eye on the left. Oh, I see him there, trying to push up. Right at the other end of that middle building.
Here's only one might hit off the door. Don't push up.
Yep. Oh, shit. Yeah, fuck me sideways. Watch out there, bud. Watch out on the right side, he's peeking through. He'll see you right through that. I'm gonna get fucking lit up. I'm gonna get fucking lit up. I see you, motherfucker! I still see your tip! There you go. No. Oh, hit.
I see him.
Buddy, that wasn't bad. That was my fucking second life. Shit. Oh boy, Zach! Fucking A, dude. Okay, watch it. I'm out. Am I? Yeah, I'm out. One more guy right side! By tractor! He's right by tractor! To the left of tractor! Colton, look out to your left there for a second. You can get an angle on the tractor. Right side tractor! He's ducking him behind the building! Nice, man, nice. I don't, maybe one more guy in that building, Mitch. Can I shoot you?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not too early.
Too early in the day. Watch out for that right side, guys. Oh, I see it! Right side! Middle room in that long building!
Right side tractor, he's stuck in it behind the building! Nice, man, nice. I don't, maybe one more guy in that building, Mitch. Can I shoot you?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not too early.
Too early in the day. Watch out for that right side, guys.
Somebody push that middle building! Far right! Oh, he's hit! Never mind! Okay, good hit.
Yeah, I got him. That's what full auto does.
Yeah, I'm gonna push up a little bit. Hi!
It says 1.
Okay,
That's all I can see.
okay. Shit.
Fuck off, Les! Get out of that corner! Cheeky little bugger. Hit!
Fuck off, Wes! Get out of that corner! Cheeky little bugger! Oh, hit!
Somebody's hat right there. Oh, that's a fucking hat.
Okay. Watch out for that building right ahead of us. LG on our right.
I just fucking got last.
Did ya? I see Dylan on the right side. Dylan on the right side. Dylan on the right side. Dylan on the right side, middle building! We're gonna get fucked up right about there.
I'm gonna call the exit up. You fucker! Dead man!
Zolan, you still with me?
Yeah, Dylan on the right side, watch out! I'm on my last mag. Are you out? Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Sorry.
My fault, man. You cheeky bastard. Oh, hit! That was a piggy! That was a piggy wiggy!